When I ask real estate agents, what kind of business do you like the most? Everyone always has the same answer. It's referrals. Why? Because you look like an expert and you get fulfillment from working with people who have referred you. So join us November 29th for the Ultimate Referral Summit, where you get to learn from best-selling author Michael Mayer with his book, 7 Levels of Communication. In the past, I have seen this change people's entire businesses, and not years later, within just a few weeks, I have seen people make huge differences in their business using the systems in 7L. And with all the complaints I've heard lately about the types of clients that real estate agents are not enjoying, I knew it was time to bring Michael back to give you a refresher on how to build your referral network. So thanks to Mortgage Right and all of the sponsors, we get to hear Michael and these awesome systems at the Ultimate Referral Summit, November 29th.